Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews on top-rated products. Today, we're diving into a must-have item for your garden and home organization needs. The YDSL 88 feet Garden Flexible Wire, Soft Twist Plant Ties. This product is truly the best sprinkler conduit wire you can find, offering a simple yet highly effective solution for your garden support needs. Made from premium TPR rubber, these plant ties are designed to be both durable and flexible. The 88 feet of wire provides you with plenty of length to support your plants, whether you're staking trees, vines, tomatoes, or even your indoor green plants. What makes these plant ties stand out is their versatility. Not only are they great for gardening, but they can also be used for office organization, securing cords, or even as decorative accents for DIY projects. Their green color blends seamlessly into your garden, ensuring that they support without drawing attention. The wire's soft rubber surface ensures that it won't damage your plants, even as they grow and expand. This makes it perfect for long-term use, and the wire is strong enough to withstand various weather conditions, from heavy winds to intense sunlight. The high-quality material ensures that the wire remains bendable, allowing you to easily shape it into the perfect angle to keep your plants upright and secure. No matter what size or shape your plants take, this flexible tie will help them maintain their position. Not just for plants, you can even use these ties for outdoor decorations or even to manage cables and wires around your home or office. Whether you're creating a little garden paradise or tidying up your workspace, these ties have got you covered. Plus, the length of the wire ensures that you won't run out anytime soon, making it a great addition to any gardener's toolkit. So, if you're looking for a versatile, durable, and effective solution to support your plants or organize your space, the YDSL 88 feet Garden Flexible Wire is your go-to product. It's the best sprinkler conduit wire out there, and once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Be sure to check it out and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more great reviews here on Product Critique.